Hey everybody, if you have a 79 to 93 Fox body, and most everyone has this kind of a radiator with this kind of a C-channel top, you can get rid of the factory kind of boring looking hold downs and use a UPR radiator hold down. Now we have these in both the short and the long style. We have them in satin finish or polished. What this does is you're going to remove those hold downs and you can use this to hold it along the front lip there, or you can use the larger one and cover it. Now, depending on your application, like in this application with this Coyote Swap car, you'll see we have two fans here, and the fan brackets have these tabs. So if you're using a long one, you're gonna need to notch those around those tabs to cover it. Also, you wanna check your radiator to see if it actually is kind of like this one with the C-channel top. This has a 3-inch throat depth there, so it's gonna cover a radiator that's about 3 inches wide. We're going to use a short hold down, so we do want to show off our SBE radiator. It's really easy to do. The factory bolts are 13 millimeter. We're going to pop those out and then put the polished cover right in its place. One thing you can do too, if you want to, you can use a piece of weather strip, a piece of hose that you've slit, and either put it here or on your cover just to kind of tighten it up, depending on your application and what the fitment of your radiator is. So you can see this is going to go right over the factory location where that fits. And just to be a little fancy, we're going to replace those fasteners with a stainless screw and washer that we got from the local hardware store. This is a M8 1.25 thread on the Fox body, so it's pretty easy to find a screw that you like. But rather than put the kind of standard looking bolts back in, we're going to go ahead and run down these Allen screws. Give Mark's Mustangs a little bit more eye appeal. Kind of adjust the cover to fit with your radiator and your shroud. So you can see that hold down looks a heck of a lot better than the factory hold down. You can get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR products dealer.
Here's a follow-up on that install. This is our large radiator cover. And as Steve mentioned in the earlier portion of this video, it does have to be clearanced where this fan shroud is bolted to the radiator. But just a little bit of clearancing there and there, now he's got the UPR large radiator cover in the brushed finish installed on our Coyote Swap 84 GT. And I don't know, I think I like that one better. Why don't you guys leave a comment and let us know which radiator cover you like better, the small one or the large one. And remember, as always, if you're interested in getting one of these for your car, just head over to uprproducts.com or call us at 561-588-6630 and we'll be happy to help you out with one of these for your car.